we have an exciting new update for you inside Wilcom today, which is a brand new feature for the WilcomWorkspace Library product, and it's called Batch Upload. Now, the great thing about Batch Upload is it gets you storing, searching, and securing your embroidery designs even faster by allowing you to batch upload more than one design at once. Now, you can do the numbers yourself. If you have thousands of designs and you're uploading them one by one, that's going to take you a while. With Batch Upload, you can grab an entire folder or a selection of designs and batch upload them in one go. So let's take a look. Now I'm in my WilcomWorkspace Library, and as per normal, we have the Upload Designs button, but when you select on that, you now get a choice. You could upload a file, or you could upload a folder. Now let's just start off with the file upload option. Now, as per normal, you get browsed straight to your folder where you can select a design. But now you can hold down your Control key and you can select multiple designs that you want to upload at once. And then we press Open. Now it will take each one of those designs and present you with the upload screen. But now instead of just one design, I've got one of 9 designs that I can upload. Now, to support uploading more than one design, we've had to also introduce some additional features. Because if a design shares design information like the customer or the status or some common tags, you don't want to sit there and keep typing that over and over again for every single design. So to support that, we have the ability to allow you to apply those settings to your next design. Now, more than likely, the file name and the title would be different for each design, which kind of makes sense. But something like a customer could be unique per design. So in this case, that customer might be Travel World, for example. And then the status, this could be approved, but maybe all these designs are approved. So I'll tick to apply that to the next design. And the decoration method, this one could be left chest. And in this case, it's recommending some tags. It's identifying an aircraft. That makes sense. Flying. It's got a bird. I guess you could interpret that as a bird. I mean, it is AI looking at designs after all. But I'll grab both of those. Or I can say add all suggested tags. Then I can add some notes and I can upload that design and it moves to that next one. And then I continue along that process. Now, because I ticked on approved, it automatically grabbed that status. Because I ticked on to remember the tags, it's automatically added the new tags for that next design. So I'm not having to keep type them over and over again. So again, I can just choose the customer, and this time it might also be Travel World or could be a different customer, and I click next. But if all your designs are for that same customer, then more than likely you want to just grab that entire folder and upload those designs for that customer. So again, I can go through this process and choose each one of these one by one and select the design and select the appropriate customer. I can keep doing that. And as I'm uploading those, I'm getting a live status update to tell me that that design has been completed. And as you can see, it's really, really fast. It's happening so fast in the background. And as I'm uploading them, I can see I'm now up to design number 5 of 9. So I can keep going through one by one and uploading those, or just upload them all, and it will do them all in the background. And that's the perfect scenario if you want to select a customer's folder. So how do we do that? Well, again, we go back up to upload designs. This time we choose folder. And at that point, you can browse to the folder where you keep those designs for your customer. Let's imagine this is one of my customers' folder, sports. I can go into that folder and click upload. It's now looking into that folder and it's found 6 designs in that folder. I want to upload those. And again, it's presented that upload screen, one of 6 designs. Now these are all for the same customer. They're all for the Wilson Club. So I'm going to apply Wilson Club and select to apply that to all the designs. These are all approved. And for this customer, I only ever do left chest. So they're all left chest design. At this point, I wanted to automatically apply all the suggested keywords or tags for me. And pretty much that's all I have to do. To upload all those designs, I just press upload all. It will go through, do all of that for me in the background. Again, to make sure that my designs uploaded quick, fast, that they're now secure, and now me and my entire team can quickly search for them in WilcomWorkspace Library. Now the next method to get your designs into Library is even faster, and that's the ability to drag your folders directly into Workspace Library. So what you want to do is open up Explorer to where your folders are. Simply grab the folder you want to upload into Library and just drag it straight up into the interface. Now it could be a folder or it can be designs. It works both ways. In this case, I've selected that entire folder. And again, that could be your customers folder. Let that go and it will take you through that same upload process. Again, you can choose your customer, you can assign it so it applies it to every design, and same for your status. Go through that same process again. And when you finish filling out all that information and you're ready to upload, you can either upload the next design, also you can skip a design, or you can simply upload them all and they'll automatically be uploaded to your Workspace library. So that's batch upload. Again, select whatever designs you want or select an entire folder, choose all the settings that you want and apply them to all the designs if you wish, and within seconds, your designs will be available in WilcomWorkspace Library.